Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that I think everybody feels, if you've been using a PC, if you've been using technology for a long time, um, a question came out tonight is, do you feel that technology has become stale, that it's not exciting anymore? And I do have that feel that it's not the same. I do feel that there's something missing. We're at Windows 11. I think we were surprised to get Windows 11. Were we amazed at anything? There's something that's out there that's not what it used to be. For sure, it could be that we just have technology fatigue. I think it can happen. Too much technology at some point gets overwhelming. But I think the best way to see that our technology has become stale is in the keynotes of the big tech companies. They represent pretty much how we feel. And what they represent right now is boring. You might not be an Apple fan, but you have to admit the excitement of the iPhone. I remember getting an iPod Touch because it was such a cool device. And even playing racing games in the subway, and people were just like, oh, can I see? I've never seen one before. There was an excitement on these devices were just truly amazing. And, on the Windows side, a lot of people were excited with their Windows phones. Microsoft had something working here. Fortunately, it didn't put any efforts in it, and it kind of failed because of that. I wish they would have continued. I wish they would have tried to push that a little more. I think every Windows Phone owner I've met all loved their Windows Phone. And, that's, again, something of the past. And these were the times when keynotes were fun. Who remembers the party? You guys remember the little party packs? If you would just write into Microsoft, let them know that you wanted to do a Windows 7 party, they would send you this little package of Windows 7 balloons and all sorts of little things. And you could throw a little party, take pictures, send them the pictures. They were committed to making us having fun with that. And Windows 7 was the first one that you actually had a preview, like a Windows Insider preview, if you wanted, which I remember having. And there was something exciting about Windows 7 back in the day. And same thing. You guys remember when we were waiting? Some of you are still here, 11 years later. And remember when we were waiting for Windows 10 to arrive and install it and share our, excitement of that new operating system. Of course, Microsoft with innovation, with a lot of cool devices that they had, their Surface laptops, Surface Book, all of that. That was kind of cool. It was, it was an era where there was excitement in every keynote. We all wanted to see them. We all wanted to be in front of our PCs streaming the latest keynote because we know there would be a surprise. There would be something cool. Well, not today. Today, keynotes also represent, I think, the state of our technology. The keynotes are stale and are kind of boring. And I think it is. What do you guys think? Has technology become boring today compared to the last 10, 15, 20 years? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.